service my generator with me. So whenever I'm using my generator, I'll be using it and it will overheat, and the next thing the generator will go off. So today I'm going to be servicing it and I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. I'm not going to employ the service of a professional mechanic. I'm going to be doing it myself. So you guys come with me. These are basic skills I feel as a girl you should possess so you can do these things yourself, right? Let's get started. This is me, fine girl who loves Jesus. So with me here, guys, I have the oil I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using this rubber right here to change it. Look at me. So I'm going to where my generator is because I live upstairs, and I met my neighbor here. I had a little bit of conversation with him concerning my recording and all of that, and he's going to work. So this is me just going to do my own work. Oh, I'm fine. Oh, look at my skin like milk. I don't like to do voiceover for my YouTube videos because I know I play too much, but you guys manage it. However, I think I take my YouTube videos too serious. I want to be playful. I want to be me, hence why I decided to just record this short vlog. So we've gotten to this place, you guys, and in my compound, as you're entering inside the compound, the first thing you see are generators. So each and every one of us have padlock and keys that we usually use to padlock our generator. So this is me unlocking my generator because I want to service it. I unplugged the head of the plug there. I don't know if I got it right. And you guys, in case you don't know, this is me just checking on the consistency of the oil. It is very dark. This is why my generator has been going off whenever I'm using it. Look at me acting like a professional mechanic. I'm not though. I was just fortunate to be able to see my father do this, and I used to do it as time went on, and this is me living alone and I'm able to do it for myself. So basically that's what I'm doing. I want to remove the black oil that is already inside the generator so that I can refill it with a new one. Can you guys see how dark this is? I get power. Look at how I'm powerful. I know you don't need to say it. This voiceover is funny, but you guys are going to watch it like that. Anyways, I'm done turning out the oil, and this is what it looks like. Can you guys see how dark this is? And I've not used this generator up to 2 months, so just that I'm always making use of it because I'm a content creator, you get. So we are done with this, guys, and it's time for us to refill the oil. Whenever I'm watching people's video, I always love to watch videos that serve different angles. So when I'm shooting my video, I also like to give angles in my videos. So this is me turning in the new oil into my generator, guys. I sabi work. I was trying as much as possible to ensure that I don't waste the oil, right? So you guys, how you will know? There's a gauge for this thing, and since I'm the only one who is recording my video, when I was trying to check if the oil has gotten to the proper gauge, my phone did not record it. So this was when I wanted to check on the gauge and my phone left me. So I don't want to waste this oil right here, so I had to turn it back into the container where I removed the fresh one, right? I think I'll be able to make use of this for another purpose, but not for the generator, so I had to reserve it. Jesus. You guys, did you see what is happening right there? My phone was about to fall inside this pit. Well, we are done, and this is me chaining back my generator because I don't want to hear shoot bird mama fly. I have to secure my generator. So this is me padlocking it, and yeah, that's basically what I'm doing here. So after padlocking this generator, what did I do next? I actually on the generator because I want to use it upstairs, right? I don't know what to say. So this is me closing the condemned oil that I turned inside the rubber, and you guys, this is the bucket. Can you see? I drained out everything. I just want to go and rinse the bucket, and after rinsing it, this is how it looks. I don't have soap because I didn't come down with soap, so I didn't wash it with soap, but when I get up I'll wash it. Now it is time for us to turn on the generator so that we can have lights and enjoy life and create content, right? So you guys take a few minutes of your time to appreciate my skin. Look at my skin. Forget. Now money remain, or it's just money that is remaining. So I love the fact that I can do basic things like this for myself, and I feel like as a lady you should be able to also do this for yourself, because it's to save you the stress of spending unnecessarily. And some girls who go ahead to like date any kind of a man because you need a man who should be able to do all this for you. I'm happy. And this is me dancing. I dance a lot, and most times to no music, and we are done. This is me going upstairs. I took my neighbor's phone that I'm going to help him charge, and this is me just catwalking into my room. You guys, if you know you enjoyed this video, thank you for watching and staying with me. Look at me. Bye.